Hello students, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about displacement reaction with the help of some experiments. In today's experiment, we will be looking at the displacement reaction of metals. The chemicals that we will need here are a beaker of copper 2 sulfate solution as well as a strip of zinc metal. What do you think will happen if we were to place this piece of zinc into the solution? Let's find out. Students, watch carefully the beaker. You could observe some slow reactions takes place in the beaker and color of the strip as well as the color of the solution slowly changes. We observe that as the reaction proceeds, the solution changes from blue to colorless. In addition, a reddish brown solid also forms on the surface of the zinc metal. It appears black with some reddish brown. So, what is the chemistry behind this? Let's take a look. This is a beaker of copper 2 sulfate solution. The solution is blue due to the presence of copper ions. What will happen if we add a piece of zinc into the solution? Let us take a closer look at this reaction. The piece of zinc metal is made up of many zinc atoms, which are packed regularly in layers. If we take a look at the reactivity series of metals, we know that zinc is more reactive metal than copper. As a result, zinc has the greater tendency to form positive ions. This can be represented using the ionic equation as shown. In forming the zinc ion, zinc metal loses electron and it forms Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Thus, we can say that zinc is oxidized. Copper, on the other hand, is less reactive metal, thus it prefers to remain as an atom instead. This can be represented using the ionic equation as shown. Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives Cus. The copper ion that is present in the solution takes in the 2 electrons from the copper. Since the copper ion gained 2 electrons, we can say that copper is reduced. Over the time, as the reaction proceeds, more zinc ions go into the solution and more copper atoms are being deposited onto the surface of the metal strip. As such, we can say that the more reactive zinc metal has displaced copper, the less reactive metal from its salt solution. Now, let's check if you have fully understood the concept of the reactivity series of metals and how it directly affects the displacement reaction of metals. Over here, we have a beaker of colorless zinc sulfate solution and a strip of reddish brown copper metal. What do you think will happen if we place this piece of copper into the solution? Let's find out. Nearly 1 hour later, we observe that there is no reaction between copper and zinc sulfate. Why is it so? If we take a look at the reactivity series of metals, we know that copper is less reactive than zinc. Thus, both the copper atoms and zinc ions are happy to remain in their original states in this case, and no redox reaction occurs. So students, now you tell me what is a displacement reaction means. A displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Children, as we know that both metals and non-metals take part in displacement reactions. Children, I hope this topic you understood very well. We will study another interesting topic in the next module. Thank you and have a nice day.